Hey devs, tired of coding apps twice? I'm from AiToolslink, and today we've got something game-changing for you. 9 AI tools for creating cross-platform apps in 2025. Whether you're working on iOS or Android, we've got the perfect tools to save you time and boost your productivity. Stay tuned because Tool 6 is unreal. Let's dive in. Tool 1, FlutterFlow. Feature, cross-build AI, drag-and-drop interface. Benefit, say goodbye to manual coding. FlutterFlow helps you build apps for both iOS and Android with zero-code design. It's all about faster development, reduced bugs, and seamless deployment. Devs win. Imagine deploying your app in half the time without compromising quality. That's what FlutterFlow does, cutting your work in half while giving you powerful design flexibility. Stay for Tool 2. Trust me, you'll want to see this. Tool 2, CodePush. Feature, real-time app updates. Benefit, CodePush allows you to instantly push code updates to iOS and Android apps without requiring a new App Store review. That's huge for rapid iteration and fixing bugs on the go. Devs win. No more waiting for App Store approvals. CodePush gives you the power to push fixes and updates directly to your users, speeding up your release cycle and improving your app's user experience. Tool 3, Appgyver. Feature, no code. AI-powered app builder. Benefit, with Appgyver, you can build full-featured apps without writing a line of code. It's AI-driven to optimize the app creation process, so you can focus on the creative side while the tool handles the grunt work. Devs win. You're looking at creating complex, fully functional apps without needing years of coding experience. Whether you're prototyping or launching, Appgyver speeds things up exponentially. Tool 4, Expo. Feature, cross-platform development with a single codebase. Benefit, Expo simplifies development by allowing you to write your app once and deploy it to both Android and iOS. It's packed with libraries and tools that reduce complexity. Devs win. A unified workflow without the usual platform-specific headaches. You get to build, test, and deploy with less effort and more consistency. Less work, more app. Tool 5, CodeMagic. Feature, automated CI/CD pipeline for mobile apps. Benefit, CodeMagic's AI automates the entire build and release process for iOS and Android apps. From continuous integration to delivery, it's the tool that keeps your app's build pipeline in perfect sync. Devs win. CodeMagic saves developers hours of manual work, handling build testing and deployment automatically. You can focus on building features while CodeMagic takes care of the nitty-gritty. Tool 6, Deep Code. Hook, Tool 6 is unreal. Feature, AI-powered code analysis and optimization. Benefit, Deep Code's AI scans your codebase for issues, suggests improvements, and even detects potential security risks. It integrates seamlessly into your workflow, providing you with recommendations for best practices. Devs win. Imagine writing better code with less effort. Deep Code automatically suggests how to improve your code. It's like having a code mentor right inside your IDE. Not only will it make your apps better, but it'll also reduce post-launch bugs and security concerns. Tool 7, BuildFire. Feature, customizable app builder with pre-built features. Benefit, BuildFire's AI-powered platform allows you to create complex cross-platform apps, fully customized to your brand, without having to build from scratch. You get access to thousands of pre-built plugins. Devs win. Save time by using a platform that integrates advanced features without you needing to reinvent the wheel. BuildFire lets you launch faster with all the functionality you need. Tool 8, React Native. Feature, open source, cross-platform app development. Benefit, React Native uses a single codebase to build native apps for both Android and iOS. It provides a near-native experience while maintaining the flexibility of a JavaScript-based development process. Devs win. With React Native, your apps look and feel native, with an efficient, reusable codebase that accelerates your development process. Less time coding, more time optimizing your app. Tool 9, Ionic Framework. Feature, hybrid app development with web-first approach. Benefit, Ionic lets you build mobile apps using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's great for creating hybrid apps that run seamlessly on both iOS and Android. Devs win. With Ionic, you can reach more users by using web skills to deploy apps across platforms. This tool keeps everything unified and straightforward, so you can focus on creating, not maintaining. Thanks for watching AiToolslink. We hope you found the perfect tool to level up your cross-platform app game in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and AI tools. Have any app development tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.